This program is being organized to hear the plight of the unemployed youth of Karnataka. Today, 1,800 youth have come here to listen to you and voice their concerns to you, sir.
So, the first place jobs can come from is by fulfilling all the vacancies in current government positions. And that is something that we are absolutely committed to. So the first place that a large number of jobs can come from is the healthcare and the education sector. The Congress government is going to spend much more money in public health and public education. And these will be government jobs. But the reality is the largest number of private sector jobs in India come from small and medium businesses, from small traders. So we are going to have a much more balanced policy, and we are going to support small and medium businesses and give small and medium businesses access to finance from the banks. And we will also create special financial instruments to help young entrepreneurs to build their own businesses. And of course, as I'm speaking in Karnataka, it goes without saying that we would also look at outsourcing and IT and connecting India with the rest of the world and creating more of those type of jobs here. A society that is not harmonious, a society that is not at peace, a society that is violent cannot grow economically, cannot give its youngsters jobs, cannot have a future. Well, I don't agree with the rampant privatization of government assets. And if we are in power, we will not allow the rampant privatization of public sector units. Because it is public sector units that can give employment to the weaker section. And public sector units that are given the right space, right environment to operate in, that are given the freedom to operate properly, do perfectly well. A language is much more than simply something you use for conversation. A language has hope, a language has imagination, a language has history in it. And every state should have the right to use its language, and if the students want to do exams in that language, they should be allowed to do exams in that language. There has to be a strategy for job creation. Jobs don't just get created like that. So we will put in place a strategy both at the national and at the state level, which will ensure that millions of youngsters get jobs.